Hello dear students, in this video we will solve question 4th of exercise 5.1. Let us start question 4. Which of followings are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. बेटे इस क्वेश्चन में हमें नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स गिवन है. We have to find these number of terms form AP. अगर ये नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स AP बना रही हैं तो आपने इसका कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है एंड राइट 3 मोर टर्म्स ऑफ दिस AP. नाउ फर्स्टली वी विल चेक these number of terms form an AP. How to check AP? If the common difference between the terms is equal, means difference of all terms like T2 minus T1, similarly T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. If all answers are same, means common difference is same, then you can say that it forms these numbers forms an AP. Now we will check. Here term 1 is 2, term T2 is 4, T3 is 8, similarly T4 is 16. Now firstly we will check all difference. We will do difference. The difference means second term minus first term is 4 minus 2, that is 2. Similarly third term minus second term, 8 minus 4, 2, 4. Similarly fourth term minus third term, 16 minus 8, that is 8. Means here the difference between two consecutive terms, that is first is 2, next difference is 4, next difference is 8. So the given terms means 2, 4, 8, 16 do not form an AP because the common difference between terms is not a same. So write down, hence given terms, number of terms do not form an AP. हाँ जी, अगर बेटे ये AP नहीं बन रही then we can't find the next 3 terms. Now question second. Question second is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, so on. Now firstly we have to check these number of terms forms an AP. Now like here term 1 is 2, term 2 5 by 2, term 3 3, term 4 7 by 2. Now check the difference. T2 minus T1, 5 by 2 minus 2, taking 2 as LCM, 5 minus 4, that is 1 by 2. Similarly T3 minus T2, 3 minus 5 by 2, 2 as LCM. Similarly 3 2 is 6, minus 5, 1 by 2. Now next T4 minus T3. Here T4 is 4th term, 7 by 2 minus 3. 2 as LCM, 7, 3 2 is 6, that is 1 by 2. Now check all difference, that is here difference of second term minus first term is also 1, third term minus second term is 1 by 2, fourth term minus third term is also 1 by 2. Means difference of all these terms is same. So common difference is, we can say that common difference is, which is not by D, is 1 by 2. So it forms an AP. अगर ये AP बना रही है then you have to find next 3 more terms. हमें T4 तक given है, we have to find T5, T6, T7. Now T5 is written as, T5 can be written as A plus 4D. Right? Always write less than term, 1 less than term. That is, we have to find T5, so write 5 less than 1, that is 4D. A plus 4D. A is 2, 4, D is 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4, So 2 plus 2 is 4. So T5 is 4. Similarly T6, A plus less than 1, that is 6 minus 1, 5. So write down 5D. 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. 2 plus 5 by 2. Taking LCM, 2 to the 4 plus 5 by 2, 9 by 2. Similarly find T7. T7. A plus 6D. 2 plus 6D is 1 by 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. 3 or 2, 5. Now next three terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Now question third. Now third part, minus 1 by 2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. Firstly, we will check these number of terms will form AP or not. Now this is term 1, T1 is minus 1.2, T2 is minus 3.2, T3 is minus 5.2, T4 is minus 7.2. Now T2 minus T1. Firstly, second term, subtracting first term from the second term. Similarly, subtracting third term from the second term from the third term. Similarly, subtracting third term from the fourth term. Write down like this. Now T2 minus T1. T2 is minus 3.2 minus 1.2. Minus 3.2 minus plus 1.2. So minus 3.2 plus 1.2 is 2.0. Same T3 minus 5.2 minus 3.2. That is minus 5.2 plus 3.2. Again subtracting this minus 2. Here is also minus 2. Now fourth term minus 7.2 minus third term. Again minus 2. All the answers are same. So common difference means D is minus 2. Now we have to find next terms. Now we have to find T5, T6 and T7. T5 can be written as A plus less than 1. 5 minus 1, that is 4D. A is first term. First term is 1.2 plus 4D is minus 2. That is minus 1.2 minus 8. That minus 9.2. Similarly, T6 is A plus 5D. A is minus 1.2 plus 5D is minus 2. Minus 1.2 minus 10. That is minus 11.2. Similarly, T7. A plus 6D. A is minus 1.2 plus 6D. D is minus 2. That is minus 1.2 minus 12. That is 13.2. Now we have find next three terms. First is minus 9.2. Second is minus 11.2. And third term is minus 13 by 2. Now question fourth. That is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, so on. These are number of terms given to us. Now firstly we will find the difference. That is T1 is minus 10, T2 is minus 6, T3 is minus 2, T4 is 2. Now taking difference, T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term. Minus 6 minus, this minus is in formula. This minus is the value of term T1. Minus 6 plus 10, 4. T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 2, minus 6. Minus 2 plus 6, that is also 4. Now T4 minus T3. 2 minus 2. That is 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now common difference of all. So difference of all term is same. So it is said to be a common difference. Because all answers are same. So we can say it is common difference. That is D is 4. Now we have to find next terms, that is T5, A plus 4D. A is first term minus 10, 4D. D is 16. 4. So 4 for the 16 minus 10, 6. Similarly, T6, A plus 5D. A is minus 10 plus 5 into D. Minus 10 plus 20, that is 10. Similarly, T7, A plus 6D. A is minus 10 plus 6 into D. 6 for the 24 minus 10, that is 14. Now next three terms are 6, 10 and 14. Now question fifth part. Now part fifth. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Now T1 is 3 first term, T2 means second term, T plus 3 root 2, T3 means third term, 3 plus 2 root 2, T4 means fourth term, 3 plus 3 root 2. Now these are number of terms given to us. Now we will firstly find difference. T2 minus T1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 cancels, so root 2. Similarly, T3 minus T2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus second term. Second term is 3 plus root 2. So minus is before both signs. So change the sign of each term. That is 3 plus root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. 3 cancels. Now 2 root 2 minus root 2 means root 2. T4 minus T3. T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Minus 3 cancels. 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1, there is no need to write 1, so write only root 2. Now in this question also all answers are same. So we can say common difference. It's a common difference. Common difference is D is root 2 and it forms an AP. It forms an AP and APs because common all answers are same. Common difference is same, so it forms an AP. Now we have to find next term. Next term means we have to find T5. If it forms AP, then we have to find 3 more terms. That is T5 can be written as A plus 4D. A is first term. For D, common difference means root 2. That is 3 plus 4 root 2. Similarly, T6, A plus 5D. 3 plus 5 into root 2. That is 3 plus 5 root 2. T7, A plus 6D. 3 plus 6 root 2. That is also 3 plus 6 root 2. These are the next 3 terms of an given AP. Now question number 6. In question 6, 0.2 first term is 0.22, 0.222, 0.222. These are number of terms given to us, and firstly we will check these number of terms form an AP, formed AP or not. Now term T1 is 0.2, T2 means second term 0.22, T3 means 0.222, T4 means fourth term, that is 0.222. Now firstly take the difference T2 minus T1. 0.22 minus 0.2, that is 0.02. Similarly, T3 minus T2. T3 is 0.222 minus 0.22. That is taking difference 0.002. Similarly, T4 minus T3. 0.2222 minus 0.222. 0.00002. So all these answers are not same. So difference T1, T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2, not equal to T4 minus T3. Therefore, it do not forms AP. So now we don't need to find the next three terms. Now question number 7. Now part 7. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. T1 here, T1 is 0. T2 is minus 4. T3 is minus 8. T4 is minus 12. Now firstly find the difference, that is T2 minus T1. Minus 4 minus 0, that is minus 4. Similarly T3 minus T2, minus 8 minus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. Again find difference, minus 4 term minus third term, that is again minus 4. All answers are same. So we can say that it is common difference because it forms an AP. So common difference D is not a D. D is here minus 4. So if it forms an AP, then we have to find next three more terms. That is, we have to find T5, A plus 4D. A is first term 0, 4D minus 4, that is 16. Similarly T6, A plus 5D. 0 plus 5 into minus 4 minus 20. T7, A plus 6D. A is 0 minus 24. Minus 16, minus 20, minus 24 are the next three terms of these APs. Now question number 8. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, so on. Firstly, term 1 is minus 1 by 2. Term 2 is also minus 1 by 2. Term 3 is also minus 1 by 2. Term 4 is also minus 1 by 2. Now, taking difference, term 2 minus term 1, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Minus minus cancels. So, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 0. Similarly, T3 minus T2 is also 0 because all terms are same. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 0. So, common difference is same. T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Common difference is same. So, it forms an AP. Difference is same. So, we can say that it's a common difference. Now, common difference D is 0 and it forms an AP. Now, we have to find next terms. Next term is T5, A plus 6D. A is minus 1 by 2 first term. 6D is 0. So, fifth term is also minus 1 by 2. Similarly, sixth term is A plus, here 4. Always less than 1. 4. Now, sixth term is A plus 5D. Minus 1 by 2 plus 5 into 0. That is all term. This is 0. So, minus 1 by 2. Similarly, T7. T7 is written as A plus 6D. A is minus 1 by 2. 6 into 0. That is all terms. This becomes 0. So, answer is minus 1 by 2. So, next three terms, value of next three terms is also minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Thank you.